Earphone not connecting. Fix in 2 minutes. You are listening right. If you have purchased new earphone and you want to connect them, this video is very good and special for you. I am requesting you only one thing. Please watch this video full so that you can know how you can solve this problem. Many times it happens with us that we purchased a new earphone and it's not connecting in our mobile phone, and many times it happens that we have given our earphone to anyone to use for few days or few hours, and after that it's not connecting. In this video I gonna totally fix all the problem. First of all, what we have to do, we have to fully charge these earphones. Yes, you are listening right. And keep in mind that it don't work on these type of earphones, it works on all type of earphones. So fully charged it and remove this and earphone and add into your earphone and ear, and after that it should say switched on. After that, what we have to do, we have to go to the our mobile phone and go to the Bluetooth section. One second, Bluetooth section, and search over there. If you find your earphone over there, that means you can connect on that. Otherwise, if you don't get successful in this trick, now I am telling you the trick that works on all, because this trick is brahmastra of this video. So how and what we can do now, we have to add earphone into our ear like this, and after that here the sounds. If you not able to hear any sound, try to switch on your earphone, and if it has a button or touch button, you have to press and hold this button for few seconds. Just press and hold for few seconds, and after that you surely, I am 100% sure, you will, when click on this fresh button, you will see a list of devices, and from there in no time you can connect to your Bluetooth earphones, and that works very best, very good for everyone. So now you can share and comment down below you get successful in this or not. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Bye bye for now.